Alright guys, how many of you got tempted to buy those scoops? They are popping all the time live on your feed, and well, I gave in. So here is my 3 scoop order. By the way, huge shout out to Lena, she definitely hooked me up. If you want cool stuff, she's definitely the person to hook you up. Okay, so I ended up opening the smallest items first. By the way, look at this money tree. Now, I am new into the crystal world, so guys, if I am wrong, please let me know in the comments down below, but so far, I'm really enjoying what I got. That kiwi jasper and zebra jasper were awesome. Now, I'm not sure what stone or crystal is the dragon head of, so please let me know in the comments down below if you do know. The mushroom, by the way, is huge. I don't think the camera shows how big it is. It's actually pretty decent size. I think it's yellow calcite. Now, I have no idea what stone is this, so yeah. Also, I have no idea what stone is this. I don't know if it's natural, but oh my god, it looks so pretty. Look at that reflection. I think the reindeer is trollite, but I am not sure. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys know what stone is this, but oh my god, it's so pretty. Perfect for Christmas. And then we got the tarantula. Seriously, this thing is huge. I think it's yellow calcite, but let me know if I'm wrong. The spheres, I think, is ocean jasper and labradorite. Let me know if I'm wrong. Then I got a little white jade cup. I think it's white jade. I got a pretty big rose quartz tower. Now this one I think is Amazonite, but I am not sure. Help this girl out. Let me know in the comments down below. And a beautiful, huge strawberry green quartz. Overall, I'm really excited and happy with this order, and I can't wait to get my next one. Stay tuned because I've got more coming.